I picked up an iPhone 11 Pro, picked up a Max, ended up returning it. You guys will see later in this video. The biggest thing I was looking for is a good camera. There's not a lot of good real life scenarios on the camera in different lighting situations, along with audio. So this video, the entire point of it is to show you guys the video in real life circumstances in a different range of places, from the beach into a building and into a store. Anyways, let's get to the video. Welcome to Newport. It is sunset and it is actually really nice. So I want to see how the low light looks on this and how the stabilization looks. Holy crap. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine living here one day? Question: what do I need to do in life to live here? Oof. Look how beautiful this is. Front facing camera still, and it's about 20 minutes after sundown. It's actually pretty dark right now. But I look super bright. Front camera, go wide, ready? Wide, oh sorry, wide. Narrow, closer. That's how the sand looks. The wide lens is really nice because my hands are right to my side and you can actually capture everything. I'm on the ultra wide again, so the low light's not as good. Let me switch over to just a normal lens, which is the 26 mil, and the lighting should be slightly better right about there. And let me switch back to wide lens. Bam! And I'm currently over here charging the car. So here's the charger for the X. It's going super wide and dark, normal. And we've got this bad boy. So here I am at the gym. See, the gym is super bright. So the lighting is like really, really nice. All the way up above, you see the guys playing basketball. Super wide lens. Let's see if we zoom in a bit. All right. Whoa! Some pretty lights. Here's me on a scooter going through a big parking lot. It's kind of near my gym, so I usually take this scooter. This is something that I'm most interested in right here, is the front-facing camera, because for me, I vlog, so I kind of need something that will capture my face. A semi-well-lit parking lot. I'm walking away from the big light pole right back there and walking away. Now if I face the light real quick, this is what you see of me right now. So pretty bright. I'm deep in San Diego doing some deliveries for some customers. I usually do these deliveries on Sundays, so might as well test the camera out. This is I think about 11 o'clock right now. Weather looks good. It's actually pretty bright outside. And there's a Tesla. This neighborhood is actually pretty nice. There's a little court over there where people are playing tennis. Here's lighting inside a store. This is Target, somewhere down in San Diego. Super bright in here. And you're on a wide lens right now. The men's section, have you guys looking some nice clothes? Ooh, very pretty. It's an outdoor mall. There's an Apple store nearby. I'm actually considering switching the iPhone out for the smaller one. So right now the problem is this iPhone is the Max and it's a little bit too big. So I might switch out to the 5.8. So right now I'm walking over to the Apple store. This place is super nice. Weather is freaking nice out here. So they do have the phone in stock, so I'm gonna switch the big one for the Pro. The Max was just too big for my hands, I guess. I'm so used to the smaller one, and I oftentimes text and do a bunch of things with one hand, so this would be super beneficial. This is the one I'll be returning because my little hands can't hold it. Now I'm just so used to the 10, and I love the 10 a lot. It was such an easy phone to hold. I'd run around scooter, hold my daughter in one arm. So nice phone, but I think I'd rather get the small one. Saying goodbye to the big one, and I've got now the little one.
Come on, puppy. Puppy. Cup at me. Cup at me. Cup at me.
Just in case you guys know, we're at Imperial Beach here. Tsunami space. All right, I'm gonna take you guys on a scooter ride down the beach, check out the lighting. We're about 2 hours away from sunset. Let's go for a ride. This place is really nice. A little bar over here. All right, pretty close to the beach. Ooh. Over towards the beach, right behind me, you'll see, bloop, the pier. So audio tests with the water right behind me. Let's see how far we can zoom in. Ready? Boom, 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 boom. 6 times. That's the pier. We'll zoom all the way back out to wide. You've got people playing basketball right over there. Little workout spot right over there. I found my way over to Imperial Beach. The pier is right over there. Ooh. The weather is good out here too. Scooter's performing really well. I made my way over to the pier. I made it towards the end of the pier. Let me show you guys that side. Thank you. All right. Found a super cool parking garage in San Clemente. So I'm riding around for a little bit. Check it out. It's completely empty. And then for the front facing camera, which is what I was curious most about with this camera or this phone, lighting is pretty good in here, so I should be nice and bright. But scootering out here is real nice. All right, guys, we're back at my office, and this is inside lighting with a fairly well-lit area for work. We just moved into this new building from our warehouse, so we're under construction still. You see the little open window back here. There's a bunch of stuff back there along with our print center. Most of you guys have or may have not seen this setup from my old videos, but here we are. And this is an audio test for you guys with music going on in the background. I really like this workstation a lot. It's nice. It's easy to work with. Everything is like right here. Shipping lines right here. So it's good. Here we go. Another day. Shipping. Robbie D, say hi to the video.
Yo, what up?
This is us packing, but showing you guys lighting situations. Finishing off our Marvel month right now. We got Chavosito over here.
What's up, fool?
What's up, fools? I'm editing the video. Trying to get additional content for you guys for lighting and stabilization. So I'm one-handing this and walking kind of straight. I'm not trying too hard to hold it steady, but just kind of normal. Flip around real quick. There you go. You guys know I do cinematics pretty often, so boom, pan, my typical panning motion, and then flip over to Rob. If you guys do another transition for cinematics, let's go up, come down to frame, tilt, turn, and pan. That's kind of how I would do my cinematics. So the lighting's not like super great for video in here, but it's good. If you guys know my kick story, whoop. When I was a kid, we used this for Christmas ornaments because we grew up super poor. All right, guys, that's the video review for the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. So if you guys are interested, this is a pretty cool camera if you guys are looking for a camera. If you're not, I had the iPhone X, the iPhone 10, and it was perfectly fine. So I would not recommend switching over if you guys aren't really interested in getting a good camera. But those are all the scenarios and situations. I'll film a lot more. I do a lot of road trips, so we'll find out what other videos and stuff we can do. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out.